we're back, and then there's like some random country who's like most likely Grenada riding his own bike. Excuse me, that's so fast. Oh my god. The Christmas tree fell down. Okay, move on. Greenland. Greenland! Why are you speaking into the mic? Stop having a seizure! Iceland. Why? Why are you like jumping around? Probably because he's like spazzing out. Stop spazzing out! He just only has 2 pictures instead of more pictures. Iceland, please. Okay, the Faroe Islands. Nepal. And then Nepal accidentally crashes Faroe Islands into a computer screen. Actually, it's the window. Also, there's a poorly drawn version of the Norway flag, which is like looking at something. Norway. Why do you look so poorly drawn? Sweden. You have like fake arms and legs. Ringo Starr? You mean the narrator from Thomas and Friends? Denmark. Yeah, why are you shouting at me, Denmark? Again! Oh my god! Finland! Can you please stop playing the Morse code? What the? I saw a car. I have no idea who that country was. Could you please stop Estonia? Are you listening to something? Oh my god. He's most likely having a commentary with Tom Kenny, the voice of SpongeBob. A disastrous commentary with Tom Kenny. Latvia. Why the long face? Lithuania! Lithuania! Stop it. That's so loud. I can't take a break. South Korea? Why do you have no arms at all? Stop it. That's really insane and racist. Eritrea. Could you please stop doing that? What the heck? North Korea? Oh my god. Why are you in a poorly drawn smear frame version of yourself, North Korea? Why do you look so poorly drawn and smear framed? Nui, that's our territory. I have no idea what that music was. Most likely George Bizet or Ludwig van Beethoven. Oh my god. It's the Purge. This is from the song The Purge. Nicaragua with the United States. Oh my god. I guess they probably look like... They're similar to Tom Kenny and Bill Thugabucky, the voices of SpongeBob and Patrick. And it looks like Nicaragua right there is having a seizure. I suppose. What the? This is why you never should go to Ohio like that, because it's very cringy. Gibbon, why are you listening to some goofy ass sound effects? That's from Kinemaster. Suriname, why is there a siren? The unknown country. Why are you America again?
Interrumpimos la programación habitual debido a
Could you just speak English for 5 minutes? Oh my god, America's like run away and then oh my god, it just crushed America for no reason. That sounded like it came from, oh no, our table is broken. And then okay, there's like America and a country looks most likely Afghanistan. Why is the camera like zooming in? Probably because it's made on Roblox. Monaco, why are you sitting in there? This is also made in 3D, but all the EAS alarms animated is mostly 2D. Come on, Ghana. I'm not having this with you today. Senegal. Why do you have your own video game, Senegal? Tunisia. Looking at your ambulance. Oh my god, there's like a turkey like speaking, but then there's like another turkey flag was like jumping in the air. What the? Marshall Islands? Did you accidentally turn into a fish? Oh no, I see the red eyes. Oh my god, Georgia, could you please deactivate the bomb? Too late. Georgia was like sent flying. Mali is next. Malawi. Oh my god. Who is that? This is completely unknown. And it looks like Papua New Guinea was like mad at the unknown country's behavior. Switzerland? You again. What the? A no throw it at you, Switzerland. And a bomb? Looks like Switzerland got his revenge with red pupils, but something nuked him. France was like, rest in peace, Switzerland. 1776 to 2002. Oh my god, the ground's like shaking. Oh my god. What the? Kazakhstan. Did you find a bomb that looks similar to Bomby from BFDI? I'm just keep mentioning the BFDI characters. But why is Kazakhstan looking at the bomb? Why are you trying to hit the bomb like that? You can see the fuse is lit up. It actually destroys it. It destroys Kazakhstan. There's like two Thailands. Why are you so angry? And it looks like you have like a triangle nose. Wales. Why do you look like you have like butterfly wings? You're supposed to be having a face as well. Not just like, not without a face. Anguilla. Why are you flying in the air, Anguilla? Anguilla, could you please come down? Iran is back, but without a cart. He accidentally found a drill. This thing can be either... Oh, that's Malaysia, looking at the drill. That was completely Malaysia, Liberia, or the United States. It's completely unknown. What the? There's Syria. What the? Syria's like, oh my god, is that a dead body? And it looks like there's like a bunch of Syrias. What the? That transition was very smooth, and it transitioned into an unknown country getting zapped. He eventually died. Look at these. There we see it's France, Quebec, Mayotte, French Southern Territories, Saint Martin, the unknown one, Saint Pierre, the unknown one, and then French Polynesia. Why is there a robot doing here? Stop giving the audiences a thumbs up. Emergency. It's Ecuador, with the United States of America getting irritated by Ecuador's behavior. Sheikh's house. Antarctica. What? Costa Rica, could you please chill for 5 minutes? Stop it! Niger. Are you sleepy? Probably because you're dazed out. Oh, what the? Who's that? Angola's back, trying to, like, do something. Is that a pile of cheese broccoli? This got slept on. Madagascar! In the microphone! Baby Madagascar. Cuba, trying to do some jumping jacks. Togo. Why are you just like... What the? I saw that. Where is it? Hey, yo! Bangladesh! I accidentally saw Bangladesh for a split second. Afghanistan! Why are you just like jumping in the air with excitement? Bangladesh. I saw you once! But now you just like appeared in the another shot. Tonga was like, broadcast, no broadcast.
On a request of Tongan government, a tsunami is bound to impact the
Not a
entire nation
tsunami!
to high ground and take shelter immediately.
I seriously want to take shelter immediately. There's like so many Indonesians. You're speaking in French instead of Indonesian. Then Indonesian speaks in English instead of French. And then he speaks in German! What's going on here? Wow, the Indonesians look like the voices of SpongeBob, including Tom Kenny, Bill Fogglebunky, Roger Bumpas, Clancy Brown, Carolyn Lawrence, and Doug Lawrence, or you can call him Mr. Lawrence. Oh my god, this is gonna take forever, guys. It just cuts to Honduras playing the drums. Belarus looking completely possessed. It was like, there's a tornado! Got smoked. Liberia. That's Libya. That's the Argentinian sun. What's next? Moldova. Andorra. You got those moves. England was like, how dare you stole my alarm? And South Africa was like, I didn't mean to steal your alarm, England. And then I was like, I'm out here. Bhutan accidentally shoot Nepal, but he was like, get screwed. And Bhutan was like, no. And then Bhutan's cheeks were puffed up again. What the? Oh my god! It's a collision course! Oh my god! This is Mount Everest. Oh! That was Serbia. Oh my god. Nepal has like pointy teeth. Bhutan was like, ah! And then just eats Bhutan. Burma or Myanmar, looking at it. Somalia. You better watch out. That was from the Ploticon sound effect that I used to animate. Democratic Republic of the Congo. Not the alarm! Oh. There's an unknown country just taken by Siren Head, but then shoots it. Serbia was like playing a video game, but completely fails. Okay, there's Papua New Guinea and Morocco. That's actually Monaco, sorry. That's Morocco. Why is there a Siren Head? San Marino! What? That would be silly. There is no way I'm watching Belarus. What? Oh my god, that's so Vatican City, calm down! Stop it. This cannot be happening, you guys. Please! Then he was like, and Armenia was like, get over here! Unknown country playing the piano. Lebanon was like jumping into Air Force. Nigeria and Niger like burns Nigeria, and then like Siren just like boom, it just kills Niger. The Republic of the Congo was like, Toad, oh no, not Five Nights at Freddy's, anything but that. Oh no. Oh my god, Freddy just like killed the country. Lesotho's up next, and it's like stretching. Tajikistan was like putting his finger up his nose. I mean, mouth. That was the police car was chasing a car, and I was like, who's in there? Barbados! But the car accidentally crushed on Barbados.